Hey guys, so another Learnworlds tutorial. So in this episode, we will learn how to set up the navigation of our Learnworlds pages. Okay, so basically, Learnworlds has a feature for you to set different navigation for the visitors version. So this is a visitors version. I put in an incognito mode, and there's also, you can set two versions. One is for the visitors version, and then the other one is for the members version. So if you notice in here, they have different navigation. The members has a community menu, while the visitors doesn't have. So I want to first is I'm gonna teach you how you can change the text in your navigation, and then we will proceed later with setting a different type of navigation on visitors and members mode. So first is you need to log in to your Learnworlds account. Make sure you log in that. So yeah, simply go on that page here called login. If you cannot see these options in here, you can just go into the learnworlds.com and log in using your associated account. Okay, so you need to have an admin account on this. Otherwise, you need to link your sign in button to your landing pages. So I already log in this part. So once you already log in, you will see this pencil icon in here. Now, as I said, I want to change this earn commission into just an affiliate. Okay, so I'm going to click this pencil and click the edit pages, or edit page rather, and then you will be redirected to the site builder after that, and um, simply double tap this tool top bar. So double tap that, and I'll start first with the sign up. So after this is basically the two options that you can utilize. So I'm gonna click that sign up over here and just double tap this column. So look for this part that's called edit column. Okay, so edit column, or if you cannot point that directly, simply double tap the navigation. So as I said, I want to change before sign in. Let's start first with
Learnworlds is always my recommendation to my clients every time they want to create an online courses. You can use the link below to get a 30 days free trial and see if Learnworlds fit for you. I also have tutorials about Learnworlds, so check out my description, or I'm gonna put it in here to see some of my tutorials in Learnworlds. I tell you, there's a lot of features in Learnworlds that could be really helpful for your marketing strategy. Let's get back to the tutorial.
The visitors mode. So after sign in, these are the members option, and the before sign in is the visitors option. So I'm gonna double tap that, and if you want to change it, just double tap, and then let's fill that, change that with called affiliate. Okay, that's how you just change your navigation thing. You can also change the orders by dragging the section. I'm really good with that. I'm really good in that. Now, to save the changes you make, simply click the save and close. Okay. Now, again, I'm gonna double tap that, and we'll jump into the after sign in. Okay, so after sign in, these are normally they already registered to your account, whether it's a paid or a free version. So again, I'm going to double tap that, and I will change the affiliates to the commission to affiliate. And for the start now, sign up inbox. So I have a start learning community affiliate me. So if you notice here on my after sign in, I come up with other options in here that can give them more settings. So basically, like I have the me is the account page, and then inbox, because Learnworlds has a community options for, and that you can see all your emails, notification, and comments if you enable the community features in Learnworlds. There's a profile also, account, and sign out. Now, if you want to add more details on your account, simply click this plus icon in here. I mean, you want to add more menu um, into your to your navigation. Simply click that and then choose click that pencil, and you can feel free to um, change this. You can add a design if you want to, and then just change like which in which pages or um, in which pages you want to point that menu. Okay. You can also change the navigation styling, and for show in hamburger icon, this means is if you want this menu to be visible in mobile version. So hamburger means the menu options um, in your site. So if you go into the account, into your website, and if you hover this one, you'll see that the navigation is converted into hamburger. So that's what they are saying. So if you want to add this new navigation that you just recently added, you can just toggle this yes, or if you want to disable that, then simply click no. Okay, so that's basically how that works. So if you want to delete, just click the remove, and yeah, we're done. Always make sure that you hit the saved and close. Make it as your habit. Otherwise, you cannot um, you cannot see the changes. Also, if you want to jump in different pages to one another, you don't need to go to the back end side, because Learnworld has this navigation thing here where you can just jump into where your latest edit, courses, external pages, affiliate pages, and other sections or other pages in Learnworlds. Also, there is a search field here. So if you want to check a specific course, let's say marketer or something, um, you can go there straightly. So let's say I'm gonna go into the affiliate pages. So it's just simply go into the page. So you don't need to go back to the back end side. Simply use this part. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope that makes sense. And if you need again any help or assistance, feel free to leave me a comment below.